OpenAI's CEO has publicly admitted that advanced AI agents are becoming a real concern, not in theory, in reality. So much so that OpenAI is now hiring a head of preparedness, a role that pays over $550,000 a year. This person's job isn't to make AI smarter, it's to make sure it doesn't go wrong. Their focus includes cybersecurity threats, mental health risks, and the danger of AI systems becoming too autonomous, systems that can act, decide, and operate with very little human control. That tells us something important. When the creators themselves start investing heavily in safety, it means the risks are no longer hypothetical, and the impact of AI isn't stopping at offices or tech companies, it's reaching creative industries too. Hollywood actor James Woods recently warned that artificial intelligence could one day replace human actors altogether, not extras, not background characters, lead roles. With hyper-realistic digital faces, voices, and performances, studios could create entire movies without traditional actors, faster, cheaper, and without contracts, delays, or demands. For the first time, creativity itself is being automated. This shows a bigger truth. AI disruption isn't limited to coding jobs or call centers. It's touching art, entertainment, and the very idea of human expression. When safety teams are being hired at the highest levels, and actors are questioning their future, it becomes clear. AI isn't just changing how we work, it's changing what it means to be human in the workforce.
One of the most respected pioneers in artificial intelligence, Geoffrey Hinton, often called the Godfather of AI, has sounded a very serious warning about the future of work. He says that as early as 2026, AI isn't just going to help with tasks anymore. It could actually replace many jobs, even ones we used to think only humans could do. Hinton explained that AI is improving at an astonishing pace, so fast that tasks that used to take humans months to complete can now be done by AI in minutes or hours. This includes software engineering tasks, like writing entire sections of code or completing small development projects. And it's not just tech jobs. Surveys of business leaders show that nearly 9 out of 10 senior HR leaders believe AI will reshape jobs across industries in 2026, meaning the way work is done will change for most people, not just a few. Another survey found that about 30% of companies are already planning to reduce parts of their workforce specifically because of AI, especially in roles like customer support, administrative work, IT support, and back-office tasks. What does that look like in real life? Call center agents. AI chat systems can talk to customers and solve problems without needing breaks. Software coding tasks. AI can now write code blocks that used to take hours of human work. Data entry and routine office work. Processes that were once done by people are now automated. And this isn't a distant future. It's happening right now. Companies are already using AI to automate real jobs today, and the shift is expected to accelerate quickly. The big takeaway is this: AI isn't just changing jobs, it's replacing some of them, and many more jobs are being reshaped in the process. That means learning new skills and understanding how AI fits into the future of work isn't just useful, it's becoming essential.
While some jobs are disappearing, something else is happening quietly in the background. New jobs are being created. As companies adopt artificial intelligence, they're realizing one important truth: AI doesn't manage itself. Today, job postings are rising for AI engineers, people who build and maintain these systems, for AI trainers, humans who teach AI how to respond, what's acceptable, and what crosses the line, and for AI safety specialists, whose only responsibility is to make sure powerful systems don't cause harm. These roles barely existed a few years ago. Now they're becoming essential. Because of this shift, governments, universities, and companies are investing heavily in reskilling programs. They've learned that retraining people is faster, cheaper, and smarter than replacing an entire workforce. And that leads to an important realization. Despite all the fear, most experts agree on one thing: work isn't disappearing, it's changing. Yes, machines can process information faster than any human. They can analyze data, they can automate repetitive tasks, But there are things AI still struggles with: human judgment, empathy, ethical decisions, and genuine human connection. That's why professions like nursing, teaching, management, and leadership are expected to remain vital. A machine can suggest a medical diagnosis, but it cannot sit beside a patient and offer comfort. An algorithm can grade an exam, but it cannot recognize a student who needs encouragement. AI may take over tasks, but humans still give work its meaning. The jobs of the future won't look like the jobs of the past, but the world will still need people, not to compete with machines, but to guide them.